So, hi guys, I'm going to be showing y'all a YouTube video of how to make, so they're these little bead fishes, and so I'm going to show y'all how to make these. So, I'm going to put these. So I've already started on this one, but I'm going to show you guys a whole different one because you guys might be confused and don't know what to do on the first part. So I have a purple. So first thing you're gonna need is pipe cleaner. I have this whole package of, I have this whole bag of pipe cleaners. So I have purple, green, yellow, red, and orange. So I'm going to get started. So you are going to put like 10 on each, no, so forget all what I just said. And so I'm going to find my first 2 beads. And you're going to need beads. So first, you're going to get 2 beads, 2 of your favorite, whatever beads you want, but you're going to need 2. I chose this one and this one. So you're going to want to put that on the pipe cleaner. So just slide it on the pipe cleaner. And some of them may be hard to put on the pipe cleaner, and that is because it's like too tiny. Okay. So you're going to put that there, and then you're going to bend it like this. And you're going to want to make sure these 2 things are even. It's okay if they're a little off, but try and make it as even as possible. And so, like that, you're going to want to twist it 3 times. Okay, so I twisted mine 3 times. Alright, so you're gonna put about like 10 on each side, but don't go on yet because to show you guys something. So I'm gonna look for my beads that I want. So I'm gonna want these 2 beads. I'm gonna want these 2 beads, and I'm gonna want these 2 beads. So I'm gonna want these 2 beads. Gosh, these beads are, I know they're not really annoying, but they're hard to get in your hand. So now I think this will do. I need a few more purple ones. So I have these 2. I have these 2 colors. They're pink and purple. So I'm going to put them on my desk right here. I know my desk is a mess, but I'm going to start with the pink. So you can put them in whatever pattern you want, and you could get any kind of beads you want, and like any colored beads you want. I don't care about that, but you have to put like a certain amount on it. So I will see you guys when I get the beads on here, but you cannot go on yet. So, okay, so I'm almost done with my thing. So these I used big ones, so I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put 9 on each side of these. So if you have little ones, you're gonna put 18. Because 9 plus 9 equals 18, and these little ones are like half this size. So I'm gonna put 18 on each side. So get this put on. Then I'll get these 2 beads put on. Then I'll see you guys when I get 18 on here. Alright, so I haven't gotten 18 on yet, but I have gotten 10 on. So I think, yeah, I'll just need 8 more to put on. So yeah, and I need more beads. So I'm going to look in here for some more beads. And so, yeah. I'm going to look in here for some more beads. And I can't seem to find much pink, but I can find some. So I just need 8 more of each. 1, 2, 3. 3 of the purple. 4 of the purple. I just need 4 more of the purple. So 4 more of the purple. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just need to find 1 more. 8. I have 8 purples and 2 pinks, so I'll need to get to working on the pinks. So I have, that one's a lighter pink, but I guess it'll work. It's not that much lighter. See, that one looks a little lighter, but it's not that lighter. So I have 4 of these. I need to find 4 more. I have so much purple, but like, there's not much pink. I find a pink. I don't know where pinks are. Gosh. Just need to find 1, 2, 3. Just need to find 3 more. There's 1. So now I only need to find 2 more. Just 2 more pinks. I hope they can pop out. Wait, there's too much stuff in this thing. I can't find it. Wait, I thought I just saw one. No, that's not. Oh, yay. Alright, so I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I need 1 more. 8. Alright, so it is even now. And so I'm going to do the pattern. And so, gosh, I won't go on. Nope. I already did that one. Okay, so I'll see you. I just need to get a little bit more on. Okay, so I have gotten 18 on each side. So now you are going to want to like shape it out into like a little oval thingy like that, and then twist it. So you're going to want to hold it right there and then twist this part 3 times again. And so you are going to want to get some more of those beads that you had on, or you can get any different ones. If you want some different ones to put on the end, then you could have some different ones. So you're just going to want to put like about 3 or 4 on each side. So I put 3 on mine. No, I'm gonna put 4 on mine. Okay. So, and when you're done, you're gonna want to take this part. So like right now, I have put 4 on mine, and then you're gonna want to take this part and twist it around your last bead. Like this. You can see the bead right there. And so, twist it around your last bead. And you are done. D-O-N-E, done. And so there you have your little fishy. So these 2, this one I made today, you saw me make it, and this one I think I made this one today too. So I've only made 2 because I just got my pipe cleaners today. So I've been having these beads for like, and so yeah, I got these pipe cleaners today. So I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.